welcome to Deschutes Public Library's Family STEAM. My name is Sheila and I'm so glad you joined me today. Today we are going to be talking about astronomy. And astronomy is the study of the sun, moon, stars, planets, comets, gas, galaxies, dust, and other non-earthly bodies and phenomena. So today's astronomy is going to be about black holes. And if you're not familiar with black holes are an invisible area in space with a gravitational pull so strong that light cannot escape. Black holes are formally ordinary stars that have burned out or been compressed. Black holes can vary in size from one tiny atom to the size of more than 4 million of the Earth's own suns. If you jumped into the black hole feet first, the gravitational force on your toes would be much stronger than that pulling your head. Each bit of your body would also be elongated in a slightly different direction. You would end up looking like a piece of spaghetti. So for more information on black holes, check out your local library. What we're going to do today is create a black hole and experiment with different round objects. You will need a piece of paper, scissors, tape, a cup of some sort, and any object that are round, like a bouncy ball, a marble, a ball bearing, or another type of little ball that you might want to give a try that you might have laying around your house. So the first thing we need to do is we need to cut out a circle on our piece of paper. And I have one cut out already. Then what we need to do is cut in the middle, a line to the middle, and cut out a hole, okay? After you do that, you are going to want to make your cone and tape the two pieces overlapping together. And I have made one here. I have taped it. We are going to take our black hole cone, place it on top of our cup, and I'm going to grab my marble ball bearing, and what we're going to do is just spin it around and watch as the gravitational pull of the black hole pulls it down to the center. Some other things we can try is different types of paper, or we can make our cone shape differently. We can make it very cone-like or just a little bit cone-like to see how that gravitational pull works with our objects. Well, I hope you had a great time today and do some more experimenting with your black hole. I've really had a good time. I hope you did too. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.